In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to your Instagram account on your phone. So first, let's go to our YouTube application, and then let's tap our channel logo at the top right. Let's go to your channel, and then at the top right, let's tap the menu button, which is the three dots. Let's tap on share. And what we want to do is copy link. And now you want to go to your Instagram account. And then you want to go to your profile at the bottom right. And then you want to go to edit profile. And here you could see the space for website. Let's tap on that and let's copy our YouTube channel's link, and then let's tap check, and that's it. So if anybody would tap on the link that you have provided, it will redirect them to your YouTube channel. And that is how you link your YouTube channel to your Instagram on your phone. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.